Look around you. Right now, you're surrounded by something you can't see. Copper wire. It's hidden in your walls, powering your lights, your internet, and every device you own. If you stretched out all the copper wire in an average American home, it would reach nearly a mile. Without copper, our world would grind to a halt. But how does a chunk of rock become the wire that powers your life? The story of copper is ancient, but its real superpower is conducting electricity. Today, the US is a top producer, mining and refining copper on a massive scale. From open-pit mines to mega-factories, this is a journey of heat, pressure, and precision. Every time you flip a switch, you're connecting to a process that starts deep underground. We're about to follow copper's journey, from raw ore to the veins of our modern world. It's a tough, gritty business that keeps everything running. Let's see how it's done. It all starts deep in the earth, in massive open-pit mines across the American West. Giant shovels scoop up copper ore, rock that's less than 1% copper. Haul trucks the size of houses carry tons of ore to crushers. The ore is smashed, ground into powder, and mixed with water and chemicals. Air bubbles float copper particles to the surface, forming a frothy concentrate. This concentrate is dried and sent to a smelter, where it's heated to over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Impurities are removed, leaving behind blister copper, about 99% pure. But that's not pure enough for our high-tech world. The next step, refining it to perfection. From mountains of rock to molten metal, this is where copper's transformation truly begins. It's dirty, noisy, and essential. Now let's head to the factory. At the mega factory, blister copper is refined by electrolysis. Slabs of impure copper are placed in acid tanks with pure copper sheets as the target. Electricity dissolves copper from the slabs and plates it onto the pure sheets, atom by atom. What's left is 99.99% pure copper, the gold standard. These cathodes are melted, cast into thick rods and sent through rolling mills. The rods are stretched thinner and thinner, coiling into massive bundles. Next, drawing machines pull the copper through a series of dies, making it even finer. This process happens at incredible speeds, producing miles of wire in minutes. Each step is about precision, no room for error. From raw metal to perfect wire, the transformation is almost complete. But there's one more step before it's ready for your home. Drawing copper wire makes it strong, but also brittle. To fix this, the wire is annealed, heated and slowly cooled to restore flexibility. Now it can bend without breaking, perfect for threading through walls and devices. Quality control is relentless. Purity, strength, and conductivity are tested at every stage. Any wire that fails is recycled. Only flawless wire is spooled for shipment. From small reels for electricians to giant drums for utilities, each spool is labeled and tracked. A single flaw could mean disaster, so nothing is left to chance. The result wire that's tough, flexible, and ready for anything. It's the final step in a process that demands perfection. Now, this copper is ready to power the world. Let's see where it goes next. This wire started as a trace of copper in a mountain. Now it's the silent partner in every piece of modern technology. It powers cities, cars, planes, and the devices in your pocket. Every text, every call, every light switch, copper makes it possible. As we move toward electric vehicles and renewable energy, demand for copper is only growing. An electric car can have over a mile of copper wire. A wind turbine is packed with it. This ancient metal is more vital than ever. The hard work of mining and refining copper is building a cleaner, more connected world. Next time you plug in, remember the journey from rock to wire. Imagine what you could build with unlimited copper. The possibilities are endless. What would you create?